In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the microphones of your AirPods are not working. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And after you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, then just go to settings. And from here, you will find the name of your AirPods in the main settings page. Now just tap on it. Now after that, just scroll down and look for the option for microphone. Now just tap on it. Now from here, just make sure you select automatically. After you select automatically, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if it is already on automatically, just select right or left, then wait for a couple of seconds, and then select automatically back on your AirPods. After you select automatically, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to settings, and under settings, just tap on Bluetooth. From here, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name, and at the bottom of the page, just select Forget this device. Tap on Forget device, and after you do that, now on your AirPods, just place both of your AirPods in the AirPods case. Now from here, just close the lid. Then wait for a couple of seconds. After that, just open the lid back open and double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED start blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset on your AirPods. Now if you're using the AirPods Pro or any other AirPods, you will find a button at the back of the AirPod. Now to factory reset that type of AirPods, first of all, just open the lid, then tap and hold on the button at the back of the AirPod. Now just keep doing that until this LED turns into orange. Now just keep pressing and holding the button until the LED turns from orange to white. Now after you do that, you will complete the factory reset process on your AirPods. After you have done the factory reset process on your AirPods, now just close the lid of your AirPods and place them aside. Now on your iPhone, just perform a force restart. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart process is completed, now just open the lid of your AirPods and pair your AirPods with your iPhone. Now just complete the pairing process. Now after the pairing process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to settings, but this time just tap on general. Tap on software update. Now just check if you have any software update available for your iPhone or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix if the microphones of your AirPods are not working. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.